Hey guys, one of my German subscribers, which has been subscribing me for a long time, Lily, she said to me that according to Anthony Williams, she did a couple of things that he recommended, and she healed herself from a lot of stuff. And that sounded to me very interesting. So I was like, okay, let's go to Anthony Williams and check out what he's doing. And as an energy healer, I have to say immediately right from the start that the type of body scanning he does with the hands and stuff is completely legit. It's basically, if you have, it's interesting that he scans mostly the upper chakras, it seems, from what I've seen. I'm going to research it a little bit more. What I'm interested in is everybody who had success with Anthony Williams, that they comment here and they talk about it. I want to try the celery juice, and I'm gonna start doing that probably tomorrow. I'll just get some celery stuff, and it says how much was it, 6 ounces or something? How much was it that you're supposed to do? Maybe somebody can comment. It's gonna be super interesting. Now I believe, from my experience working with people, that 99% of problems come from emotional issues, karma issues. But I do believe, I could imagine that celery for some reason has this intelligent water. Not necessarily, I don't know if it's the minerals, but I believe it has intelligent water. Maybe it can flush out a lot of the emotions, and that's why it works. I'm just going to give it a try and let you know what it does energetically with me. I do have some issues sometimes flare up, which I know are caused by certain foods. And I'm going to be looking forward how it fixes my gut, what it does with me energetically. So I'm going to be reporting on this, and I'm going to literally try it every day. I'm convinced that he has a gift of reading the energy field, okay, because it's very similar to what I do, and I know for a fact that what I do works. So for example, I had this woman come to me. She had 25 years back pain. She couldn't release the back pain. No doctor could help. We did yoga, tantric breathing, and a little bit of change of food, but not much. But it was mostly the tantric breathing that completely changed her. 25 years of every day in the morning kind of pain where you can't get up, completely fixed, completely gone. So I believe mostly it's karmic and energetic, and emotional. But let's see what the celery and some other things do in the body in terms of flushing stuff out. I believe the liver can, I could imagine that the liver can flush out everything if you don't hold the karma. But if it's already chronic, maybe you need to have some aid from the outside. In Germany, you would use something like Mariendistel, which is it has these spikes, this plant, with the flower. It helps to flush the liver. I haven't read his books yet, but I'm ready to read his books. And I'm going to be very interested in what he does. I think he's, for me, the first person in the naturopathic direction that to me seems somehow legit. But I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to inform you. And with my high intuition and extreme sensitivity towards things, I'm going to let you know what the real deal is. I know, for me, in fact, in my body, if I release certain emotions, negative emotions that are connected with certain karma and experiences that I had, then the physical ailment immediately becomes better. But I'm super open to see. I don't believe so much in diet, although I eat super clean, but I'm interested in this to see what it does. So if you have experience with that, comment, go ahead, positive and negative. I want to see it all. Okay, bye bye.